Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just a quick look at what I've been buying. Purchased these from Wilko, my local hardware and gardening shop. As you can see, I've got Veronica, two types of dahlia, lovely black irises there, Germanica black, gladioli two types, Nerines. I've got 5 peonies, you can see it there, which I'm really looking forward to sowing. 2 types of geraniums, St. Ola and Splish Splash, which look really nice. Freesias there, 20, which don't get bad 10pence each. Then ranunculus, I've already put them into soak. Also got sweet corn from my allotment, tomatoes, cabbage, radish and spring onions. So yeah, a really good collection. So I'll be starting putting these up tomorrow. We'll post more videos then. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to message me. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And remember folks, happy sowing, happy growing. Well, after saying all that, yeah, these, I want to just show you what to look for when buying peonies. What you want to look for is nice healthy shoots. The one there, this one there, it's got some nice shoots as well. Try and get as big as you can. You end up with, you've got like a root ball that you can cut to get these smaller sections. So yeah, they're growing nicely there. Nice healthy root ball there. This one here, it's got some shoots coming out just there. So yeah, that's to look for with your peonies. Like this one here, this one's been cut. And this one, I should just be able to split into 2 or 3 plants, this one, because it's such a big piece of root. Make sure they're quite damp, but not sodden when you get them. You don't want them dried out, because if they're dried out, they're going to start dying. So yeah, that's what to look for when you're getting your peonies. Your nerines. Each with some green shoots showing. Like you can see there. They're nice healthy bulbs. I've seen a nice growth there. These Veronicas, as you can see they're lovely and healthy. And these ones here, these are dahlias. You want to make sure that this part here, this is the main stem. This is the main stem there. You want to make sure that that is not rotten at all, because that is where your new growth is going to come from. All around there and out of that part. So make sure that's dry and not rotten at all. If that's rotten, you're not going to get any growth after it. I'll show you with this one here. This one is nice and solid as well, so that's fine. These irises, these are the same, nice healthy growth on them, and not rotten at all. Your bulbs, you had it all right, make sure there's no rot on them. You can see the new growth start to come out, some of them, they're nice. Right, let's have a look at these, shall we? Freesias, yeah, they're the same. Make sure there's no rot on any of the bulbs, make sure they're nice and dry. And then we've got the geraniums. These ones, they're nice, some nice new growth on there, and some nice new growth on that. So yeah, you can see I made a bit of a mess of them, but yeah, that's what to look for when you're buying your plants, your bare roots and your bulbs. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and remember, happy sowing, happy growing, folks. Have a good day, everybody. Thank you, bye.